I guess in this video action I'm going to discuss about how to install PIP in Linux operating system. So let's open there or terminal, and thereafter the next is here you need to write the command sudo dnf install python or 3, then right there minus pip. You need to press the enter. So here you can see installing Python 3 minus pip. This version that going to install, this will take the size 8.8 MB, right? Why press enter. So now this is downloading the package, and here install this pip version 21. So this is the latest version. Now if you write there pip this, or you can get minus v, you can check their version, and this all command is there. So let's use their clear and writing there pip 3 minus v. Okay, let's write there minus version. Then you can see 21 version that install. Okay, so this is the most simplest way we can install this pip on this Linux operating system. So simply you need to use the sudo dnf install python 3 minus pip. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.